Yeah, girl. Fuck my ex. Hey y'all, it's Tre'maj and we're back with another video. This is gonna be a mini vlog of my birthday weekend, but it's kind of messed up at the moment. As you can see, I will put a girl has really been going through it for the last couple days. What the fuck? For real. But yeah, y'all say I don't have nothing done. Hair's not done. Nails not done. Nothing. I have the outfits. I'm missing my mink coat and my hat. But you know, it wanna snow in New Orleans randomly. So this is not my first time dealing with a winter storm on my birthday, but be fucking for real. And you know, I've been crying all day. Y'all know, just pray for me. But today is January 25th. It's 7:58. And I'm gonna get ready to leave to go to the city to do everything I need to get done, like hair, nails, but it's all gonna be in a couple days because not in a couple days, but you know, it's not gonna all be in one recording. Like, I don't even know what I'm saying right now, but the recording is gonna be for each day. It's not gonna be like all in one day recording. That's what I mean. But right now, I'm gonna start getting ready. Gonna brush my teeth and stuff. I had to do my hair off camera because that normally takes me a while. And I didn't even know what hairstyle to do today. But this is gonna have to do till I get my buzz down tomorrow. But yeah. Don't mind the background. Packing my shit up, putting all my essentials in here. So when I get home, you know, I have shit. I'm about to pour some of this in here so I can have some when I go to my house. So I'm gonna put these on. This bodysuit. This ain't a bodysuit, jumpsuit, because you know it's probably cold outside. This is long sleeve, so I'm gonna put this over this. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on, be right back. This is how it looks. So I don't know, I might wear this tomorrow with my hair over, y'all. So if y'all see me with this on, don't mean to, like, you know, I might change and not say nothing, cause I'm gonna put it with this jacket. I don't know if it's like really cold outside. Don't know which, I'm about to put my fur boots on. But real cute. You'll see it. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go and pack my car. We on the road. I was gonna look at gas, but how it's looking and how I'm looking, I don't want to go to the gas station. Every time I go to the gas station by myself, like especially around this time, it's always some weird ass shit. So your girl's just gonna wait. I think I got like half a tank, or I got not empty, so I'm good. This left my makeup bag and my coat, but my whole car was iced, so I'm waiting for thinking to bring up this because I might need it for something. I always feel like I forget shit that I need, so I'm gonna just tell you because I feel like I'm using. But yeah, I'm feeling get ready to get in the car. It's warming up right now. But yeah, I'm gonna go kiss my man and then I'm gonna leave. And yeah, I'm probably gonna put the camera in the car. Y'all can see me again. But yeah, guys, bye. So praise the Lord before she get on that road. But what I'm saying is, damn, my fucking edges look bad, y'all. Don't mind that. But I have to go to the nail shop at 11:30 to get my nails done. But I'm gonna get my toes done at another one because one of my acrylic on one of my big toes came off. Like the entire toenail came off except my toenail, like the fake toenail came off. So I gotta get that fixed. After I get my nails done though, I want to go to the thrift store because I had 2 items from Depop that didn't come in for my actual outfit. It was just a mink coat and a fucking hat, because I was supposed to bedazzle a fucking hat because it's for a denim outfit I'm gonna wear. But yeah, I have a lot to do today. I gotta do it on my phone.
Yeah, girl, look you.
Yeah, how are you? Alright. Hats. I've been a speaker. I need to go look at the purses lady too. What? You give me? I want my suit to have one. Okay, y'all. I just made it home, so I am finna go and get my lashes filled in. They're not really like, you know, missing anything, but I just want like the bottoms filled in like a little bit more. But yeah, I'm finna go get my lashes done. I had made it home, but I forgot to update you guys only because my camera was dead. So, and then my sister recorded videos of me and the videos did not look too well. So y'all, I have to figure out how I'm gonna fix that. But your girl's finna go. Let me get my gel. I'll be back and show you guys my lashes. I'm gonna go my way to Larry's to get lashes, and I just said that, but you know I need extra clips just in case the clips are in slow-mo like the ones my sister took. But it's okay, sister, because you know it's just okay. But yeah, I'll be back. Oh, he pushed it back. I was going to church tomorrow. I'm gonna get it from him when I come out. Mama waiting on the refund check like she getting some. Hey y'all, so we're at bingo, and I got this. And here
and 38.
Currently at the nail shop. I'm on the phone with Amari because we just talking. Got a lot going on. But I'm currently waiting for me to get called for me to go and get my toes done. And yeah, the hair appointment is now at 1.
Mày có trở lại không? Trở lại chú đuổi tao phải đi.
I am outside the place waiting to go in to get my hair done, but my sister got me some Popeyes, y'all. But I'm about to hurry up and eat this. Hold up. You getting big! I'm about to hurry up and eat this shit before I go in, cause bitch, I am hungry. When I say I'm hungry, but don't mind the aluminum foil. I have to make sure the food don't waste. Earl.
I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry right now.
Turn. Best part with yeah. I'm sweet to get my hair done. Or am I putting my hair appointment? He's gonna wash my hair. 9:30, but my sister said I missed a guest on like the reservation. Damn. That's crazy. Wait, what you saying? I don't see why Flyboy Chino made that song, dude. Right.
But I get the readings. This the ZEV one?
The only bad thing is they don't have a flash, but if you have like one of those, your pictures come out still good. We love an extra flash screen at that. Hey y'all, this is the final of the hair. Period. Currently back at home. I just pulled up, so I'm gonna go take me a quick shower, then I'm gonna go do my makeup. But I don't know if I'm in this vlog with celebrating my birthday at the birthday dinner and just include it all in here, you know, just something cute and sweet. But y'all, I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Give me y'all, I am out the shower. I'm trying to do a quick little beat because your girl really don't have a lot of time. Y'all just finished. I just finished beating my face, as y'all see. Real cutesy.
Face pretty, name pretty, attitude pretty.
You know, the regular day. I told mama that. Hey y'all. So look, me and my sister are on our way. I'm not showing y'all the actual fit till we get there. But y'all, this is gonna be a long ass vlog. Like I really had y'all for 3 days. But y'all, your girl makeup eating down. Please, makeup artist who? Beats by Mods. Beats by Mods. I do the TT. We're recording right now.
looking on Mari.
Our friend looks so cute.
Yes.
Sure to know we recording. Okay, let's do some of the lights. Just to have extra. This one? Yeah. I'm gonna put it in my pocket. Remind me this is in my pocket. Okay. What time is it?
9:30.
What time is it? They ain't even close, right?
Look, it's so cute.
Yeah.
Let me see. Yes, my.
I'm gonna come close. I hate when pictures are so far back.
Well, you had this little.
Wait, yeah, put it on one. Two back. Then now you gonna back up and walk. Ready? Say go. Come on. Yes. That look good.
Night is over. I made it back to the apartment. I really didn't get to record like exactly all the stuff from the dinner, but you know your girl had a good time. Outfit ate down, makeup ate down. Y'all just let me guys know if you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, don't mind the Christmas tree being in the back. We still celebrating. Period. But bye, my teas.
Like acid color things because it makes, I don't know, it just comes out cute.